You got a good workout from Joel there. He almost snatched it from you. Your thoughts?
Definitely, definitely. It was a very tough match, very tough match. I went in the game with a specific game plan. However, I had to switch because he was very consistent. I kind of underestimated how good he has gotten since the last time I played him. So I had to use a bit of experience to become in that game.
How you felt about the tournament overall?
Very nice tournament. I don't think we've had any for the year so far. So it's a good home. It's very short, so that's very good. Because usually you come to tournament, spending 1, 2, 2, 3 days. So it's short and spicy. Very good for the school. I hope more of these tournaments can be held.
I think I played well for the most part. There are few moments where faltered a little bit, but credit to my opponent played well. When I made those shake-ups toward the end, capitalized on that. But I think I played well overall.
A lot happening behind you, a lot of table tennis today. You decided to put on this special event. Tell us about it and why this event.
Firstly, as you might see, we have a lot of Jamaica players playing behind us right now. And we brought them here because we wanted to showcase the talent we have. But most people don't know that days gone by, the YMCA has the best players not only in Jamaica but in the Caribbean. And we're hoping to bring like table tennis to the YMCA. So this was a good way to introduce Jamaica to the YMCA.
Okay, so YMCA reached out to the association. They're celebrating 105 year this year. So basically, they're covering all the aspects of sports that used to take place and was very active here at YMCA, hence table tennis. But you know, you have a lot of players coming out of the YMCA, including Mr. David Martinek and many others to speak of. So we partnered with them to put on a masters, a male singles, and also a doubles. Hence having this just a quick put together tournament, but I think it's going quite fine. Persons are enjoying themselves.